Hey everybody, welcome back to Stronger Yoga Academy. I'm Scott. I'm here with my good friend Ian, and today we're going to help you create a stronger Parivrtta Trikonasana. That's Revolved Triangle. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so before we begin looking at a stronger P.R.I.S.M method triangle, let's take a look at sort of a classic triangle. Because in season 2, what we're trying to do is take the typical poses you know and tweak them into better biomechanics and make them stronger. So what I'm going to have Ian do is come into just a classic, regular sort of revolved triangle. But first, I want you to see that when he reaches up and turns his chest, if he turns his chest 90 degrees, but this hip starts to sink down and he loses 20 degrees, his overall rotation through the spine is not 90 degrees, it's 70 because he lost 20 here. So let's take a look at how we can redo this pose to keep this hip elevated, to create more rotation and develop more power in the position. I'm going to have Ian stand up. Great job there. That was a nice looking pose, by the way. But we're going to make it stronger. So I'm going to have Ian step his left foot forward. And what I want you to see this time, when he places his right hand on the block and starts to come into the pose that you just saw, he's going to keep both legs straight and reach up. And you don't need to see, because you saw it a second ago, that this hip is sinking, right? But if he lifts the back heel and tries to draw this knee forward so that your right knee comes to your left knee in this case, he's digging the foot down. That's lifting this right hip. There's more engagement through the legs, more stability held here at the pelvis. And that means when he rotates the shoulders and keeps his hips in neutral, he's doing a better job of rotating by arresting and preventing rotation at the hips. That makes any movement here at the shoulder more meaningful. More degrees of movement, more activation, more strength throughout the entire body. I can't believe this man is crushing this pose like this. Thank you, Ian. We'll be back real soon with another video. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video on our instructional series. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. Be sure and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always up to speed on when our new content comes out. We're really passionate about helping yoga practitioners and yoga teachers get stronger in their teaching and in their practice. We've got more great videos on YouTube and lots of great content on our website. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.